Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Samantha and today we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. Yeah. So, I hope this is in frame. So, this is what I got in my box. And the first thing is the card, and it is very, very cute. It's like this. Excuse my nails, because my nails are really, really disgusting and they're really embarrassing. I have not had time, so I'm so sorry. So, the first thing I'm going to grab out is these Moda brushes. They're powder brushes. They're rose gold. Goes really, really good with the theme. This one is like a highlighting brush, but it's like very, very floppy. I'm not sure how I feel about that. This brush is very soft. It's more dense. This one would be a nice powder brush. Oh, I got the itchy nose. I'm so sorry. Then we have a Ofra lipstick. And this is in the color Monaco. And it is a very cute color. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's like it has a sheen to it, like a metallic one. Yum! It smells like really, really good. Oh my god, it's so good. It's like very sweet. I like that. Then I see Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying Brightening Peel Off Mask. And it looks like that. It's like very cute packaging. Let's see how this looks. It's like very cute. Matches the theme. I'm gonna let that dry. And then we have this right here, which looks, I thought it was a lipstick at first, but looking at it now, it says liquid eyeshadow. And it's in the color rose gold. And it has an applicator like that. It's like a little brush. And this is what it looks like. It's very cute. Okay, so. And then the last thing that I'm really excited about, because I saw the sneak peek on this and I was like, yay, I hope I get my shade, is this baby. The Cover FX face palette. And it looks like this. It's very cute. So all of these, I'm going to read you out what they are. The Cover FX face palette, it retails for $45. The Wonder Beauty peel off mask retails for $34. The Moda brushes, the powder and the highlighting brush retail for $29. The Ofra liquid lipstick retails for $20. The Peel Cosmetics liquid eyeshadow retails for $21. So that's like a really good deal because I paid like $21, I think, for this. I'm gonna try out the lipstick. But first, I'm gonna grab this brush right here, and I'm gonna grab. I don't want to blind you. I'm not a guru. I'm gonna grab this shade. Oh my god, this brush sucks for this. This is like really floppy. And I'm gonna do my lip. Okay, I did pick some up. I'm gonna put some right here. I'm grabbing the same one. I love that color. I'll put the liquid lipstick on right now. I just had to try the highlighter. It's cute. I think the brightener that's in here, because I'm not sure if you can see that, brightener, I think that just goes over the top of your highlight and it just makes it like way brighter. Let's see if it is. Yep. It's like, I think that's what it's for. Just on my nose. A big old nose. And I'm gonna get the face brush and I'm gonna grab this. Let's try the blush. It's very cute. Ooh. It looks nice. So now I'm gonna try the lipstick. I love Ophir lipsticks. I already know I'm gonna love this. And yes, my lips are girls. And they're teeny tiny. A little bit more. That's what that looks like. I'm not sure. It's cute. Should I try the eyeshadow? It's like very like blinding. Let's try it out. It's gonna go in. Oh, I got an eye boogie, I'm sorry. I guess I could use it eyeliner. I'm loving it. I'm like holding my breath. Got a little hair. Ew. So that's the eyeliner. I used it as eyeliner. I think it's better eyeliner. I'm gonna put some of this eyeshadow on my wrist and I'm gonna see if I can blend it out. Let's see. It blends down very nicely. So, what do I have to say about these products? I really like them. Everything except this brush. This brush sucks for highlighting. I'll probably use it for something else. Maybe for just like brushing off powder. I don't really... For highlighting, it's not that great. I like this brush though. This brush is really nice. It's like dense enough. This one is really useful. I'm gonna use this when I travel. The mask, I'm gonna actually use it tonight on my husband and myself. And I know he loves when I put mask on him, so yeah, we're gonna have fun with that later. And this eyeshadow is really cute. I'm probably gonna use this on a look. And this Ophir lipstick is really nice too. So overall, I give this box okay. I love it. And then if you want to see more unboxings and more subscription box videos, then please subscribe, because I'm gonna have Sephora Play coming, I'm gonna have Ipsy coming, and I'm gonna have the Laura Beauty box. So thank you for watching, and then I love my box. It's like I love the rose gold thing. If you hear noise, it's just people that live with me here. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, but I love my box. I can't wait to do more of these videos, and I hope you subscribe. And I'm gonna be doing a foundation wear test on this baby. So if you want to see that, then subscribe so you can see it. Thank you. Bye.